Hello friends, today I want to give a shout out and introduce one of the people that I follow and that I took classes from. His name is Ryan Zofay, and I have attended two of his increase your influence and improve your speaking workshops. They were great. In one of them, I was a VIP participant, and I actually got coached by him, and it was just inspiring. Um, Next weekend, Ryan is hosting a personal development workshop, in person workshop that is down in Florida. If you are interested and would like to attend, I'm going to leave the link to his page on down below in the comments, and you can check it out and see if you're interested. I am following his group and am a big fan. So thank you, and I will talk to you in the next video.